Good morning, I'm Lindsay. Welcome to 10 at 10, where I'll be leading us through 10 minutes of gentle yoga and meditation to help us start our day. So let's begin in a constructive rest shape. So laying on your back, bringing the soles of your feet to the mat, letting your knees point towards the ceiling, and bringing your arms to your side, allowing your palms to face up. And as you come into this shape, allow yourself to give the weight and effort of your body over to the ground. And begin to notice your breath. The rise and expansion of your belly as you inhale. The fall and compression of your belly as you exhale. As you follow this rhythm for a few rounds, take some time to acknowledge how you feel right now, either physically or emotionally. And then I'd like to invite us to an intention of opening. That might be opening physically, this time and space to bring a little bit of movement and availability to your body. That opening might be emotional. It might be an opening of a relationship. But take here a moment to settle into what that association and connection for opening is for you. And as you find that, begin to connect that to your breath. Let that intention fill you up on your inhale. And soften out of you as you exhale. And then on that next inhale, begin to bring your legs into your belly. Take your hands to your knees and just find a gentle roll side to side, or circle here with your hips. And then letting that come to stillness, but keeping your hands on your knees and beginning to rotate your hips in your sockets. So letting your legs be as heavy as possible. You might feel like if you were to let go of your knees, your legs would just kind of fall or sprawl out to the side. You can play with the different directions here so you can have them both moving in, out, or in opposite directions. Coming back to that exhale breath of release. That inhale breath of opening. And then letting that movement in your legs come to stillness and beginning to take a rock and a roll on your spine here. And if this doesn't feel good, option to simply roll to your side and make your way to a downward facing dog. So eventually if you're taking that rock and roll, cross your ankles, plant your hands, and just step back to that down dog as you arrive, spreading your fingers wide as you take that pedal push through your legs. Keeping your neck easy, you might take a little nod of your head here. And then letting that pedal push come to stillness and reaching that right leg long, stamping that heel towards the back wall. And then go ahead and open that hip up. So bend the knee And let your heel come towards that left sits bone as you continue to press actively into both hands, letting gravity give a little opening to your hips here. And then closing off that right leg and stepping that right foot outside of your right hand, coming into this lizard lunge. Drop your left knee down, plant your left hand, and take your right hand to your inner thigh and just give it a gentle push and opening here, rolling to the outside edge of that right foot. And as you do, think about spiraling your torso, reaching and opening your heart. Maybe your gaze lifts up towards the ceiling. Deep inhale here. As you exhale, slowly release that. Tuck through those back toes, and we're gonna step to a squat at the top of our mat. So as you arrive here, just take a moment to notice where your hips are. This can be a pretty intense shape. So maybe your hips stay a little bit higher up as we start off. Maybe you can allow your hips to come down between your heels. Wherever you're at, you might grab the edges of your mat as a point to balance, and then also to lengthen your spine. So really pulling on the edges of that mat as you press your elbows into your legs. Lengthen the crown of your head and drop your tailbone. Deep inhale, fill the backside of your body with breath. And exhale. Let your hips float up towards the ceiling, coming into your forward fold. Letting your head and neck be heavy. And on an inhale, begin to roll up. You might take a gentle sway side to side as you do. As you arrive, inhale, reach your shoulders up towards your ears. Exhale, release them down your back, palms shine forward. Inhale, hands reach up and out, stretch. Exhale, take your forward fold. Plant your hands, step back into a high plank, and then send your hips up and back, taking that downward facing dog once more. This time, reaching that left leg long, stamp that heel towards the back room, and then go ahead and open that hip up. Let your heel fall towards your sits bone, but think about continuing to press actively through both of your hands. Letting gravity give a gentle opening to your inner thighs. And then extending that leg long once more, and stepping your left foot outside of your left hand. Coming back to that lizard lunge, dropping your right knee, planting your right hand, taking that left hand to your inner thigh, just giving it a gentle press to open it, rolling to the outside edge of that left foot, spiraling your torso, lifting your gaze, deep inhale. And as you exhale, slowly release that. Tuck through those back toes, step into that squat once more. And as you arrive, maybe just noticing if you feel any more accessibility or availability as you come into this squat. Full breath here. Inhale, lengthen your spine, widen your collarbones. Staying for that exhale. And then again, reaching your hips up, walking your feet back under your hips. And as you inhale, take that roll up. Maybe finding that sway of your spine as you do. As you arrive, inhale, shoulder blades reach up towards your ears. Exhale, soften them down your back, palms shine forward. Inhale, hands reach up and out. Exhale, take it through your forward fold. Planting your hands, stepping back through your high plank, and finding that downward facing dog. Full breath. And then release your knees down to the mat and just come to a comfortable seat as we return for 3 breaths to this sense of grounding, intention, and opening. If it feels okay, allow your hands to shine palm up here. Noticing that roll of your breath. Coming back to that intention of opening and your own personal association that you have with that word. And on your next inhale, bringing your hands to heart center, bowing towards your hands. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me this morning. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow morning at